it's all about Jamaica's worst game. You deaf, we the baddest. And as they say, reconnect.
Yo. What is up, guys? JAMAICA'S Gamer here with another reaction. Woo! Hey, guys, today we are with Alfa Wraif again. Yes, Alfa Wraif. So this man will react to a song Alfa Wraif when this Devil Brat and Crucial and Legal Crucial. But you know, the song never too up there. You see me? And obviously me voice my opinion. The comment section I go hard. The comment section I say one bag of thing. People, let me just telling you this. Constructive criticism is good. We don't mind that over here, sir. But we don't have to get disrespectful and try to put a man down in the comment section. You understand? So, we are going to see if the G can redeem himself. So today, we're here again with Alfa Wraif with a song named Money. Yes, it's a song named Money. We are going to see. We are going to see if the G actually talented or he might try a thing. So I'm going to jump in the one here and see what the G has said, man. Let's go. Yes, Still Yet Productions, big up yourself. Yes, big up yourself, Still Yet. So Money, Alfa Wraif, let's go.
One architect. If I'm up on the line, hustle off a fine. Night and day, money on my mind. If I'm up on the line, hustle off a fine. Yo, Still Yet. Nothing no nice like for me lifestyle. Money stack up everywhere that time me dirty clothes pile. Teeth a show but it done not smile. Me a skate on it all in a Gaza style.
Obviously the G say Gaza.
Pull up! Yo! Pull up!
Obviously, it's a Gaza general. So, obviously money is the universal language. Money, everybody can understand money. Mula, mwanga, how that the G I talk about? Alpha, we got beside me, fam. That one that sound much better. Thumbnail look much better. Presenting, ready?
If I'm up on the line, hustle off a fine.
Ready?
Night and day, money on my mind. If I'm up on the line, hustle off a fine. Yo, Still Yet.
Ready, me G?
Nothing no nice like for me lifestyle. Money stack up everywhere that time me dirty clothes pile.
Not nice like theme lifestyle. Not nice like it. Money stack up everywhere like when dirty clothes pile up. You know when you go to some nasty girl yard or some nasty family member house and you see whole heap of dirty clothes pile up in one corner, I Sophie money pile up. But that is what I tell you. What comment section? I want to give you an honest opinion again, Panda one here.
Nothing no nice like for me lifestyle. Money stack up everywhere that time me dirty clothes pile. Teeth a show but it done not smile. Me a skate on it all in a Gaza style.
Teeth a show but it done not smile. He must skate on it tall. What? Gaza style. Fine.
Done not smile. Me a skate on it all in a
Gaza style.
Big piece, big Kyle, fat pussy girl, rough ride.
That's all. That is the starter pack of a G. Big beast, fat Kyle, fat pussy girl on front feet. Man shall be able with big matic in our lap. See him here.
Big piece, big Kyle, fat pussy girl, rough ride. Big niche, rich life. Clock up the matic like my brother 99. We love the money, yeah. We love the money. We love the money, We love the money. We love the money, We love the money.
Oh, Buckla. That one you bad. That one you bad. Did G redeem himself? Did G redeem himself? What you say?
If I'm up on the line, hustle off a fine.
What you say?
Money on my mind.
Me go pin that one in the comment section. Me go pin that one in the comment section. Go over my channel. Ready?
Nothing no nice like for me lifestyle. Money stack up everywhere that time me dirty clothes pile.
Yeah.
Teeth a show but it done not smile. Me a skate on it all in a Gaza style. Big piece, big Kyle, fat pussy girl, rough ride. Big niche, rich life. Clock up the matic like my brother 99. We love the money, yeah. We love the money. We love the money, We love the money. We love the money, We love the money. Cause I took still a hunt for the money. We love the money, We love the money.
What? We love the money. We love the money.
We love the money, yeah. We love the money. Cause a dog still a hunt for the money.
know.
This a Roma straight vibes, no chaser. It give your HD vision like theater.
I'm telling you, say the 𝐑𝐂𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍 in, bro. You're the boss. What the boss a drink? Straight vibes. It give your HD vision like what?
We love the money, yeah, we love the money.
Like what?
Cause a dog still a hunt for the money. This a Roma straight vibes, no chaser. It give your HD vision like theater. On a body man, on a raper. And we still a chop the line for the paper.
Bombo clot. Bona Batman and Bona Raper. We still a choppy line for the paper. Rude.
On a body man,
Bona Raper.
and we still a chop the line
For the paper.
As a ball, and me juggle non-stop. Juggle some girls and me juggle some cash. If I no money pre, me no want chat.
Man say I juggle some girl and I juggle some cash. If you juggle something, that means you have more than one. So I juggle some girl. Today I see one. Tomorrow I tell someone I'm sick. Yeah. Next girl.
Juggle some girls and me juggle some cash. If I no money pre, me no want chat. Making money flow, hustle flow. Eat this scrub.
Hello. What? I'm money I talk about? I'm money I talk. Me no want chat. Me no want chat. Me no want chat, brother. Tell me people business. I'm money. If I no money, me no want chat. That's what you just say. I'm money.
If I no money pre, me
Hold on, next phone ring. Hold on. Hello? Hello? Hold on. If I no money, me no want chat to no brother. Hang up. Siri, don't answer the more call. Ready?
juggle non-stop. Juggle some girls and me juggle some cash. If I no money pre, me no want chat. Making money flow, hustle flow. Eat this scrub. When me die up on the new cutlass, bean star, massacre is a duffel that drop. Fee 5-4 and no chat me a chat. Fee 5-4 me a come for your cash.
Fee 5-4 fum. And a jack me attack though. Fee 5-4 and a jack me attack. Fee 5-4 me a come for your cash.
Fee 5-4 and no chat me a chat. Fee 5-4 me a come for your cash.
Where?
If I no on the line, hustle off you fine. Night and day, money on my mind. If I no on the line, hustle off you fine. Night and day, money on my mind. We love the money, yeah.
We love the money. We love the money, yeah. We love the money.
We love the money, we love the money.
Let that one.
Cause a dog still a hunt for the money. We love the money, yeah. We love the money. We love the money, we love the money.
Me like that one,
We love the money, we love the money. Cause a dog still a hunt for the money. Papa buckle, on a spliff. A fish can't live in a Gaza district. Papa buckle, on a spliff. A being hot girl in a Gaza district. Full of money, full of style, full of flavor. The girl them must say me a they get to save ya. Serve food, serve money like waiter. Tell the guy named Fox, but not traitor. New money, new ends. His and her, we a roadblock pins. New money, new ends. Me girl and my gun, and we a set trend. If I no on the line, hustle off you fine. Night and day, money on my mind. If I no on the line, hustle off you fine. Night and day, money on my mind. We love the money, yeah.
We love the money. We love the money, yeah. We love the money.
We love the money, we love the money. Cause a dog still a hunt for the money.
We love the money. We love the money. We love the money. We love the money.
We love the money, we love the money. Cause a dog still a hunt for the money. One architect.
Still yet production, big up yourself, rhythm bad. Yes, man. Alfa Wraif, big up yourself, me G. Money on the topic. Bumbo clot. Even the thumbnail bad. Look on the thumbnail. Money there, where the money there? Hold on, man. Go back, man. Go back, man. Look on the thumbnail. 1 car chunk full of money. Don't forget the blood clot rifle, the AK there. I want to you. That's what me attack like bounty killer. Yo, hear me I say. The G redeem himself. Yes, the G redeem himself. This much better production. This mix done better. So nice. Everything mellow. Me like it. Me like the message as well. I'm money dog. I'm money the G I talk about, bro. You see me? So big up yourself, Alpha. Big up yourself, me G. Yes, my fam. Yeah, bro. Comment section. Just like on that talk negative earlier on, make sure you go talk positive for one. And now, Me I go say who, I go say what. Me I go say who, I go say what. You understand? Yes. Alfa Wraif, big up yourself. Alright, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.
It's all about Jamaica's worst game. You deaf, we the baddest. And it's a rip connect.